There's Gus protecting his new toy. Just found out online that English Bulldogs love bowling balls because they can't really chew them, so they can roll around. Generally, they're a little heavier. This is a kid's bowling ball. I got this at the Salvation Army for $3, and it's a fun toy for him. But he gets very possessive, so he doesn't want anyone touching it or playing with it except for him. Right, Gus? Totally attacked me. Oh. See? Don't let anyone touch it. Of course, he doesn't bite hard. He's protecting it. What are you doing? No one's taking your toy. Here it comes. Doo-doo. Doo-doo. Doop. He knows Mommy and Daddy. He won't bite us hard or anything. He'll bite us because we play around all the time like that. But yeah, he loves it. He loves playing with it, rolling it. You know, he gets annoyed that he can't chew it. He can't really bite it. You know, because it's round. But he loves the thing. Unfortunately, I can only play with him on the porch with it, because he had this inside when we first got it, and he got the thing rolling and it smacked into one of the doors inside, and I thought it went right through the door. So that was obviously not a good idea. But he loves playing with it. So yeah, I mean, if you have a bigger dog, he's kind of a medium-sized dog. But if you got a big dog, and you go to a Salvation Army or something, a garage sale, you see a bowling ball real cheap, try it out. You never know. So he likes the finger holes because he can kind of get his teeth in there to chew it, but not really. I posted a picture on Instagram and someone said that they want to see a video, so there you go. Here's a video of it. But the funniest part is when he gets up and kicks it around and starts rolling, because he can't grab it, so every time he touches it, it just gets more and more speed. So he goes flying across the porch back and forth. You like your new toy? Yeah, you like your new toy? I'm coming to get it. I'm coming to get it. Look at him. Look at him block it. No sharing, huh? Doo-doo, 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 doo-doo. Nope. You don't want to share? Oh. Oh, he's got me. Oh. He started to bite a little bit harder. I can take it because I'm used to it. One day I will get him when he's sleeping on his back. You gotta see inside of his mouth, because his teeth look like the predator's teeth. They're nice and white on the inside. Alright, I won't stress you out. So I'm gonna let him play by himself. He doesn't like to share, which is fine by me, but he really loves it. So yeah, if you have an old bowling ball, if you see one in a garage sale, it might be worth checking out for your dogs, because he seems to really enjoy this. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Take care.